No way, guys. I just got a legendary out of this freaking legendary chest. This is insane. So I barely opened this chest, and I was like, I don't think we'll be able to record this. But guess what? I just got the Inferno Dragon. So I already have this in my second account. If y'all don't know that, I already have the Inferno Dragon in my second account. But yeah. So now I have the Inferno guys, and yeah. So since I have the Princess, Inferno Dragon, and Electro Wizard, I don't know when I'm gonna make a combo out of this. But yeah, guys. Peace, guys. See ya. Bye bye.